right, we're starting out on with the last few parts of the review. I'm not going to do this one, or that one. Okay. So we're going to go down here. It says Mrs. Lewis wants to get her lawn landscaped. The fees charged by 2 landscaping companies are shown in the table. What equation below shows when each company charge would be the same? Okay, so remember, same means we're going to have an equal sign. And then company A and company B. $10 service fee plus $20 an hour. So we're going to have $20 an hour. Remember, anything has to do with time gets the X plus a $10 service fee. And then B, $25 service fee plus $15 an hour. So $15 an hour plus a $25 service fee. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay. Jace wants to buy a new pair of shoes. He saved $30 and earns $15 per A on his report card. Write an equation that can be best be used to determine the number of shoes Jace needs to earn A in order to buy the new shoes, which cost C dollars. So C, okay, cost. All right, and then $30 per A, there's that X. So 15X plus 30. Oh, C equals 15A plus 30, because they want us to use the A instead of X. Okay. An animal shelter conducts an annual fundraising drive. The animal shelter must raise at least enough money to cover their annual rental of $2,500 and weekly expenses of $450. So far, the shelter has received a one-time donation of $125 and pledged donations of $680 per week, which inequality can be used to find W, the number of weeks it can take to the shelter to meet the goal. All right, next section. A storage container for oil is in the shape of a cylinder. So I want to draw a cylinder. The diameter is 10 feet, and the height is 17 feet, which measurement is closest to the volume of the storage in cylinder. So first thing I want to do is get the radius for that. So 10 divided by 2 equals the radius. All right, I also want to get the formula chart. And the formula for a cylinder is V equals big BH. Okay. V equals big BH. Remember, the shape of the base is a circle. Then the area formula for a circle is pi R2. So pi, we're going to substitute numbers. The radius is 5 squared times the height. So we're going to put that all in the calculator. And the answer is 1,335 right there. Okay. All right, the volume of a sphere is volume equals 4/3 pi r3. 4/3 stays, pi stays, and then that's the radius. So 6 to the third. So it's going to be 904.778, or around it, 904.78. Right? Which measurement is closest to the volume of a party hat? A cone is V equals 1/3 big BH. What's the shape of the base? A circle. Sorry about that. Then, what is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r to h. Then we're going to substitute the numbers. 1/3 stays, pi stays. Right here, this is the diameter. So that 6 divided by 2 equals 3 to get the radius. So 3 squared times the height. One third. So 84.823, the answer is A. Alright, a coffee can in the shape of a cylinder is modeled below. The diameter of the cylinder is 8 inches. The height of the cylinder is 7.5 inches. The volume of the cylinder can be found using the formula V equals big BH. Which expression can be used to determine B, the area of the base of this coffee can? Alright, so this is the diameter. So we're still going to go 8 divided by 2 to get 4, which is the radius. And all it wants us to do is find the B, the formula or the area of the base. So the area of the base is pi r2. So pi will stay. The radius is 4 squared. So which does that look like? B. Okay. All right, solve the equation. How many x's are there? 4x. How many negatives are there? 3. Equals 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember I'm going to take x's to the one side, and then I'm going to take just numbers to the other side. So one's going left, the others are going right. So I like my x to the left, so I'm going to go minus 2x. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay, and then I'm going to take my 3, negative 3 this way, that way, to the other side. So plus 3, plus 3. So I have 2x equals 8, divide that by 2, x equals 4. Okay. Same thing over here, 4x. And I'm going to count my positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 3 x's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right, I'm going to move my x this way. Minus 3x. 4 minus 3x is 1x. And I'm going to move my 9 to the other side. So negative 9. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. So 1x equals negative 4, divide that by 1, x equals negative 4.